To schedule a Wealthfront traditional IRA, start by understanding what a traditional IRA is and how it works. A traditional IRA is a type of individual retirement account that allows you to contribute pre-tax dollars, reducing your taxable income for the year. The money grows tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes until you withdraw it in retirement. First, you need to have a Wealthfront account. If you don't have one, sign up for a Wealthfront investment account by providing the required personal and financial information. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Retirement Accounts section and select Traditional IRA. Next, fund your traditional IRA by transferring money from your bank account or other investment accounts. Wealthfront allows you to set up automatic transfers, making it easy to contribute to your IRA regularly. The annual contribution limit for a traditional IRA is set by the IRS, so make sure you don't exceed this limit. After funding your IRA, choose your investment portfolio. Wealthfront offers a range of low-cost index funds and ETFs, and their investment team will help you create a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. To schedule your traditional IRA, set up a recurring investment plan. This allows you to automatically transfer a fixed amount of money from your bank account to your IRA at regular intervals, such as monthly or quarterly. You can also set up a one-time transfer if you prefer to contribute a lump sum. It's essential to understand the eligibility requirements and contribution limits for a traditional IRA. For example, your ability to deduct your contributions from your taxable income may be limited if you or your spouse are covered by a retirement plan at work. Wealthfront also offers tax loss harvesting, which can help reduce your tax liability by selling securities that have declined in value and using those losses to offset gains from other investments. This feature can be particularly useful in a taxable brokerage account, but it's not directly applicable to a traditional IRA. Finally, review and adjust your traditional IRA schedule as needed. You can change your contribution amount or frequency at any time, and you should periodically review your investment portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your financial goals. By following these steps, you can easily schedule a Wealthfront traditional IRA and start building a secure retirement. Remember to always follow the IRS rules and guidelines for traditional IRAs, and consult with a financial advisor if you have any questions or concerns.